It's not about the money, but it certainly helps make life more comfortable when you're miserable, you know? The coronavirus pandemic brought economic hardship for so many people. It also created hundreds of new billionaires, more than 500 to be exact. And Marley is breaking down the numbers.
Oh, yes, Adrienne. Now, according to newly released data from Oxfam, a new billionaire was made every day so far during the pandemic. 573 people have joined the worldwide list of billionaires since 2020, bringing the total number of billionaires across the globe to almost 2,700. Billionaires saw their net worth soar 42% during the pandemic, amounting to an increase of $3.8 trillion in new wealth. At the same time, the pandemic, inflation, and rising food and gas prices could push as many as 263 million people into extreme poverty this year. The majority of those new billionaires were born in the food and agribusiness sector and in the oil, gas, and coal sectors.
Interesting.
The pharmaceutical industry also got some new billionaires of its own, 40 to be exact, as stocks surged for the makers of COVID vaccines and treatments. So lots of rich people got a bit richer.
Well, there's a lot of people who would say that a lot of, I could get into a whole conversation about the vaccines and people making money. And again, this is not opinion. This is people who are saying follow the money trail. You could do a whole story on that.
Oh, we could do 20 stories on that, but a lot of this is tied just to the stock market and COVID stimulus being a lot of money pushed into the markets, and a lot of people had a lot more money to move around, and they put it in places that were successful.
And food, I'm not surprised that people became billionaires off of food, because we ate a whole lot. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.